Dr. Shankar Narayanan from Kanchipuram to present his views on Arthashastra, pertaining to Arthashastra. So I request Mrs. Basmati Rajaram to come over here and introduce the speaker to all of you.
Namaste. I have pleasure in introducing Dr. Shankara Narayanan. He is a gold medalist in UG and PG programs in Sanskrit. He did his PhD in Ramayana and Mahabharata. He works as assistant professor of Sanskrit at Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Vishwa Mahavidyalaya. He has conducted national level conferences and workshops as coordinator. He has participated and presented papers in international and national level conferences. He has delivered special talks on temple architecture, epigraphy, manuscriptology, iconography, and Sanskrit literature. He has written many stotrams in Sanskrit and Tamil on Adi Shankara Bhagavatpada, Mahaperiyava, Periyava, Bala Periyava, Kamakshi, Ekamranatha, and so on. He has compiled copper plates of Cholas and published voluminous book with 1200 pages from Thanjavur Tamil University. He is one of the editors of Bharatavani, a collection of moral sayings of Mahabharata, and translated it into Tamil, English, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, and Hindi. He is one of the editors of the multilingual dictionary of Sanskrit and 12 Indian languages to be released soon by R.S. Vidyapeetham, Tirupati. He is in charge of the manuscript section of the university, which houses 5,000 palm leaves and paper manuscripts. He has edited and published 2 rare palm leaf manuscripts. He has discovered and published 10 new stone epigraphs. He has guided about 20 MPhil students, and at present he is guiding 3 students. He has learnt Bharatanatyam under Padma Shri Chitra Vishweshwaran. We invite him to deliver the lecture on Arthashastra.
May I now request Dr. Srinivasan to honor Dr. Shankar Narayanan.